You're f***ing poor.
Already, private companies have announced over 6...
Probably just fine. Evan, read the copy, please. The copy's good. Just read.
He's a man of very few words.
Well, that is one way to say it.
$100 billion in investments in industries from clean energy.
It's gone. It's very sad for the family.
You have a firm grasp of the obvious.
To advanced manufacturing right here in America.
Do you have any idea how crazy you are?
Yeah, scary.
Right now, NASA is leading a mission on Mars.
My brain is like oatmeal. No, damn the jokes. Damn them.